Hey everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel Snobersbiology. So you all might know that SSB has announced some VLW posters, some 1329 posters. But from few years, the exams that SSB has conducted are not that easy. So you are given a specific syllabus that you have to prepare. But I think that the syllabus is not that much difficult. But the most important thing is hard work. Hard work is the key. But all you have to do is to prepare this exam. You have to prepare this syllabus wholeheartedly. So I have decided that I will give some lectures on this topic, science. Of course, science is my subject, and in syllabus there is a portion of science, and for few days, for 10 to 20 days, I will be giving this lecture on some topics of science, and other topics will also be included that comes from politics, economics, and history. So I haven't gone through the syllabus yet. After checking the syllabus, I will start making lectures on these topics. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.